Hello grade 2, welcome to our new science session. Today we will start studying Unit 10, Lesson 1, What is energy? Let's get started. Look at the fireworks. Have you ever watched this? These fireworks give off heat, light and sound. Light, heat and sound are kinds of energy. What is the meaning of the word energy? Energy is something that can cause matter to move or change. Something that can cause matter to move or change. One kind of energy is sound. Sound is energy that you can hear, like the sound when we are talking, like when you hear the sound of your friend calling you, your mobile phone, the sound from the television, the sound from the laptop. Sound is energy that you can hear. Another form of energy is light. Light is energy that lets you see. Can we see without light? Of course not. You can see objects when light shines on them. Or you can see objects that give off light. So we can see the objects which already have light. They give off their own light. Or if the object doesn't give off light, we can see it when the light shines on it. What about the third kind of energy, which is heat? Heat is a kind of energy that makes things warmer. What is the meaning of this? You will feel warm or hot because of this heat. We will start studying each of these three kinds of energy, each one alone. We will start today with heat energy. You can feel heat from many things. The main and the first source is the sun. Heat from the sun warms earth. Do you remember why? Because as we studied in the third quarter, the sun is a star which gives off its own heat and light. So, heat from the sun warms earth. Moving things that rub together give off heat. What is the meaning of this? When you are cold in winter and you start rubbing your hands together, you will feel that they are warm. Try it now. Start rubbing your hands together. They will warm. You will feel they are getting hotter. So it's another way to get heat energy, rubbing things together. A third way is burning fuels. Burning fuels gives off heat. Some fuels cook food, like at home. Your mom uses the stove to cook food. From where does this heat or this fire come? From the fuel which is used to turn on this stove. So burning fuels gives off heat. Also, some fuels heat homes, like in winter we can use it to feel warmer at home. When you add heat, what will happen? You will feel cooler? Of course not. Adding heat warms things. What about if there is no heat, there is no fire in winter and this group of people are sitting without this fire or the fire is putting off? what will happen? This will cool the area around them. So taking away heat cools things. Again, this point, adding heat, when there is heat, this warms things, but taking away heat cools things. This was our lesson today, grade 2. It was about energy. As we said, energy is something that can cause things to move or change, and we said there are many kinds of energy like sound, heat, and light. We started today studying heat energy and some sources. How do we get heat energy? Let's remember them together. The sun is the main source. We can get some heat from burning fuels at home, from burning fuels for cooking, and also rubbing things together like rubbing your hands also releases heat. And don't forget that heat, when you add heat to something, you will feel warm, and when you take away heat from something, this cools it. Thank you, grade 2, for listening, and goodbye.